You are here for Madam Wasi, my church and Munina. A programmer, you have to be say, Chem no crack quine. I mean, call Jan and Busua, Moshe. I am a song for engineer, maestro. Also, last, you see, Bibi, a bra, when major prophet is she, I know. In fact, Musa be brave, and a necessary Mensaka. Mensaka, medium you be no credit. Manito because no trouble to go. Nay, me. Timber be a club be a dear. Me bomb contract coffee. Nam Japper. Montinio. You, madam, you might have a name, Medasi, and among my age. And Shanka or two for yo, Yebrano, Asso. I have forced I aswan, Monty, almost in the air. Now, and then, most of the assembly move down and ever. Was none only you I know, which is respect the protocol. Yes, respect the protocol. Now, Monsieur, then I go fear of us and we have said that be say a mistake. Say, who would do for us or Cassa? Wouldn't to me or de Cassa. Now, what I said, I know the Papa, a great mistake. A great mistake. One thing I say, me mong by me bold was a no cacre. Any paper who will be so be idea. To start with, and answer or Benyansa for Hunyansa. Bible so Hunyansa Mufa. Condi Panin check or Bissasa a dear you way. Nothing to the one son of a worker. If you saw Proverbs or Casimbi or say or Benyansa for be a tiasem and son will boa. But Bacasiade will boasem and son will tea. That's what done. Because as someone what is will be Elkanwa, hey, was what more than them. A big man, yes, I net here. If you say, and Penny say obese you be a sa or Tiana day or Tiana partner. I'm a man one say, a yare. So the material and the reas will be swat or town. I have some more. And to me, I remember foot to a medical say. So I've got to be a baby. That's what I mean, the best thing you should do is say, Bunani and the trim and cabby. If you say, Onipa, or catch them away, I don't know me. When I'm in a quiet, but a dangerous child when I'm in will be a young man if you catch them. Will be man, will beat them life imprisonment. No matter some kind, or nearly pabody for by several peer from the numity, you won't show the pabody for what them. Tis all when it's here, when you're the fra. Tina Bible say or before, content and chain, Cosiana quite no one again. Yes, sir. Oh, your medal. That was in some near foot or the way. Now, said the BI, the source said, would you Michelle Wadian, sir? Autumn for your couple of was in Shanka, send that all you before my say, I don't Cassanchas and to many years in Shanka or therefore. And what any beer 1 year that Genoa Jebren was say every chairman of Crock and Court and chain. Sandy Panayan shall be Pia or so at the Gusso, a radius from being Kenya. I don't need Amen. Amen. Therefore, as I'm going to fool baby say, was Tini was sassy. I'll go soon to feed the assassin say or bed you dine. And in Kawa Kumudan, dear, San Paso was so. You could be a video cushion compone in Yabwa. And the medal so what idea, Miss Row medal. And net a dear in our demand. Because therefore, I ask so much here. Must it ban ever? Yes, it to me, so to me cry any day. Power any day. Papa, let me dance. Medase pa. There can say power nya de keto. To me nya de bi e da fom nwa kwa kofa. Obi mu to me say to me da fom. Enti na say obi wo ye de hye ba we ne here. Obi ya timi di na tembi. Or classmate na so God name no ye de. But the moment ye be soon or better na konwa so pe the dinner sesa. A dinner na beto no so ana wo hene beto no so a why different. Na na something na ke your friend otumfo poku otumfo dey o say tu. Your friend na na kwakudua. If your friend kwakudua. Okay. But a bra ye be better na santema konwa so no. Your friend otumfo o say tu the second. Ababi. When why so ko friend no kwakudua. Me yon kubi on ko school bia the classmate bia ntime ha kwakudua bra. Hey. Bama, you can't to me na for more. Power
and authority. Bra, any easy. Hwɛ enti na sɛ obi ɛbɔ ntoa obi yɛ campaign about bɛpɛ president dia sɛ nipa no ɔbrɛ pa tumi nya de wabi sɛ da fam wɛ ne tumi ntimi sɛ nya bi ɛnyɛ sɛ
bɛfa sɛ nwa
wonam ano afa obi a abusua ɛna fam
wow
tumi yɛ ade a ɛyɛ ade a hwehwɛ tumi yɛ nya na mu yɛ hwehwɛ kyerɛ kwan yɛ hwehwɛ ɛkyerɛ kwan because hwɛ ma me fa bra honam na na akufo ado Obe Sunday 208 Obon boy Sabre enyonto sa nyuma na you were na yakoto obani we no oda form team nipa na oto sa nyuma ma no wanwie yanto obani we no asa akoto no foforo na wuo ye mu ado ma ho aban woso ewi na afi de ewi ate no se nipa no ohunu se ade ne bedane o se na wuo tumi bra ye nya ne keke. And sometimes to me, you have to invest. Yeah, more drama as an saka. Even so, young couple credit to me number one. But not from at as far as you saw your more drama. So you're more drama. And like I say, you too, President John Mama, if you're on your seat. It's all number first or take on your son, yes, to your friend Boss Kina. And now you're tuning. When you'll be you made on patch of me back to the metro. Mr. Wildy, Mr. Banya politics na ye. Oh, addition is so busy at the politics, your politics, about I am found to home. Ghana, there's yeah, man. I am there in the park. The answer in the Pabiati, as any Pabia want to say. The away and say, officer AC2, let's say a Radinian copot, I see. Now a Radinian copot support to do it. Because what's out area, Nipabeka, who did the Nipabeka, or what does what Nipabeka, and Tia dear, or Hoberton. Yo, Major, in fact, what can send me actually power my say, me home great dreaming. Now, I'm saying, Busa say, so to me, Obinia would tell me, any to me, abuse, and I would tell me, near to me, a use my neighbor swap. Women, Ephesians chapter 4, verse 7 was it what to talk at Domacha Diano, and the Amo Bibiara, when young coupon as you said, at Domacha Diano Guma Hodo, Obiano Nedia. And you will be a bit ready, you will be also a bit ready president. If you get dependent on a bit of assembly man, and you will be a bit ready chairman. What did I bet you on? I say, you will depend on one more 7 young couldn't pay Jan and Naya, you are quite eat toilet. One way eat a Janano, no cook you, or on the Jumano. And to go to so bit office, now show respect. Now go to say, will be Yanni, and that's will be here, and Cassentiano, or no so officer. What did I mention? And you can't to me. Will be one more. Medicanca, the previous message in I respect the protocol, may be an intercession. Tieni, make us say, your character and charisma. And a charisma, make them say, charisma, a dom, and as a gift. And a character you should buy. Will be one more crom for. Will be one more in the park or no nipa. The 3 more day. And what's up, baby, to me as I day. I come. A sense of woman, Pamon, so any pension, what me abuse. Okay. Share Ephesians and all kind. Was it Adumacha Diano, Ebotaye, Ephesians chapter 4, verse 11. At 7. Was it Adumacha Diahodo, and then Ebotaye. Adumacha Diana Hodo, there's a boss will be in your barcope. Now, Adumacha Dia de Memobia or Botaye. Show, Obitisan and Akufado, the entire body, he is the Supreme Commander of Ghana. Yeah. And I live in Ghana. Let me call over for mission and I do physical mission, I say, but spiritually, what shall I say? What shall I mention us? If you say, obey to me or consult the oracles. Yen will be saying, a dearAmenyo, now a dear Abaco, the entire more man way who are managing and say, or minding more oracles. Or man respected power and authority. What did I mention us? Says, or not the Supreme Commander, but we are the Supreme Commandos in the spiritual realms. We can determine what Ghana will go. Also, about to about a deep 40 member bontain, and the Shankom and the two say this. I can't remember. Once upon a time, when was that? Is it 2016? Yes, 2016 me share Shankombi. So I don't know when you to abandon me. What did I mention? I say, Afen na no mo ba be den. Me di ka kan asa na ebeto aba. Me ka tell on say me who president one lose to say president of the day. Jomama me who be that. One lose outright. Now me my figures, facts and figures. This is called prophet. And nothing and prophet from a major prophet. And yes, I good day. Me catch your money na a years way on. Also first a previous message in my mind. Me catch any pass me when you your friend no me need when I'm from sponsor. Because obi the secret baba so ase onsu say what do baba business. So for me the secret baba wo ba me niam me to ni enti fashion profanity me say when na dey adwuma obi betimi aba odi for me hu say enipa tie o edom wo na ase enti me srew me pese me boa wo na mo me products am dey abani enti me srew me enko alliance utimi told the insure akwankyere ma me na kese nyankopon to me tim enti obi anto bi mfanya akwankyere nkrofo be dey ebeto at the end of the day sika na be ba no so share wo answer a business. A business, pure business. And we are for 1 year. And you permit me influence. Now, me party this some. Now, me person I can't pass a moon. Oba, the Yamia Shabasamekan, I don't America. Me to say Prophet Micaiah. What did I mention us? Prophet Micaiah. Me net di for no, a di for Hana Beshankom, and the Amakineha. Sir, Nana, a wedding uncle Ponseko, now bedim kunim. Mika nkwa ba say me hunu say Israel for na about something say enwa ye ni beso for e wo people so na Israel for no o me ni beso for so apa ento he na Awurade kasa chem so okoko na bewu na na sai bie na no osema ka nkyerɛ me kasa ko on shen kompa ma me obesha negative prophecies na ni pam pa ye ne kasa ansem no always answer say me not here say me ma no kasa engineer that says the Lord. Everybody can come say, "We must pay attention. What here?" Because obi anwa, o tiri for asem bako. Nemo, everybody can come say me more koko say ade a wo ye jai, mo so anima ai dai. Wani manyinya because obi am pese be bo na kyem so. Wo penhyira, na so pese be bo kyem so. E be de na hyira na timi aba. Enti nipa bebre timi nya tumi no. Sai akoma bone, ani suba bone enti no, no wo say tumi no. Obi timi be di akonya. No, o hwi o mani sika nyina no wafa sa nipa no onya tumi ba woni suban ane wo obi a wo suban ane nyankopon asa dom no no de na dom asa dai asa ka no enti odifo bi ba nya fra no odifo Samuel ba kokora no wo fro mani nyina sa mo na mebu medi mo so enti mo mra na ma bebu matan odifo Samuel no mo mra na mo mra bebu matan sa medi nkontom pa de obi ade a mo hai Israel for nyina munie monka na menani ni pana de man mabu ntanchi atie obi me di obi asam kokwa mu kwaje adamode dabi o mani nyina se dabi wanya bi da Ghana man pani be de betima atana se me ko enti mumu matan Ghana nyina mumu matan mo asase me se be di akonya na me wi asika na Ghana man pani be na wo Ghana power and authority. Sanko be betima say odifo Samuel e wo Ghana anka omma no ke yemre wona tete akomya so nyina bia menka so be yakrofo nemo de maka ne say wo mu abizu power to me no wo mu mfa to me no the right job was so be to me no on fa to me no fanye sanye wo so fo so bebre wo bi nyankopan na dom wanya to me e ma pie to mo de wo sham come be at this for ba. What did I mention us? Power and authority. You have to respect the power and authority. So we charisma and character goes together. Tia kase tumi wo ho. And ye wo obi a wanya tumi no de say ade. And I say wanya tumi but won fa nya de sese ode ye. That will be sad.
Yo, madam se pa me say watch you. Atimfo Chairman no kre kwan na me nkwa agya nche na gusu a wo hwe no medo masa bisa ne say also kase mu ka say ye wo positive and negative this prophecy no e bitimba negative e bitimba positive me pa cho enti ni nyina ba yen ntuma na say e bi ba o se esi amokwan
obani ma me nka say me nchiro say two wires produces light And I'm a boy. So engineer.
Yeah.
And you're down what one eye. Obi a seen if you know. Engineer me patch up where your mammy. What me estimate? You want to say, you better so or say. Your friends boy. And the whole hardware. And I said, what am I
single cord.
Single cord. Wow, me women. What did I mention? I say, say, I will be here with you. Will be better. Na say what me why die and me mfa me dan ye dan e mfa ma no e ho no ye wo adom matere me cho obi de ne dan ne fie nyina ba be ma engineer say engineer mesrew ye ho adwuma ma me power and authority it's a war gift ya wo operate we are engineer at the same time we say mechanic and our mom de anya mechanic electrical mechanic and obi de ne fie nyina ma wo ade an ka betima su 10 million 1000 Ghana cedis. Also, ben 50 million. And a beso. The patron of Cronfo and answer your Cronfo.
That's a war.
All the matter. What you what gift no? What do gift and I entice will be? What do you have to be because who come? But what you want? Until you're positive and negative. It combines, produces light. Until you're mere or kasa on condition. We say a may say, why you say a may say? That is the word of God. Yamia some and so sweet. Say Yame see any, a radical coupon so the coverage, a radical by Warwick Elizabeth, a radical coupon says, I am say, a radical coupon be a minute, but not quite as so. As I said, I was a comment despite what could make up a day on the mouth. I may know about it, and me who make us a note I will be told. They shall not let you. Says here, but who said a radical coupon can such a man. But who never be of our end yet, or pennies also sour dream, a radical couple be shall open Mardo. Who will appear to the appear to the war? Was it as Sophie Bob, and was a Sophie Bob, as what you say. Answer is anybody. Amen. But what to for catch us at the way, a best shall not quiet, and might be open a map. What's woman? Tinyame or Cassa on condition. Nyame on the move so. Nyame kasa che ohotini obi anadwemu da ho. O se Yesu Kristo ba obesa yare bebre. Ba obi a wadimi. O te se Yesu ko se sa adimifo na kwasiafo so wo so mo yare.
Endema.
What the people your message on Matthew chapter 25 verse 1. Was it emfredi man? Was it a mountain bi? Ehia so mo kwa akọ hwaje kwa no. Emu 5 ya ba madwema enyansafo emu 5 so ya kwasiafo. Adenti no ka asase. Means say Jimmy phone chef on Yame asem. Obiro mo se si America say o hwe TV show. Me hu ye na teacher obi ya. Enyo na bo ma on to atare ehye me da. On to credit ma me da. Woni me hia da. Woni me nkasa da. That's what di matem. Ye no phone bi. We mu nyina enya TV show akwa akogina. Ti asem ni o. Nyame wonim se wo ho. Wo ho ofe. That's why am akwai. Me no odi ama me. Enti odi ama me no have to respect the power and authority. As somebody here do my nipa if so say aduma chede ehodo enne botaye enti botaye no ma aduma na me ye dey me ye no enti obi ba me nchen a etwasa me ye ade pa what do you mean yo empanisi di mpa wo yi eyesi na hunya
yo madam obi message odi abare say obi asimi odifo obi asimi utumi ni ade na so oba obi nchen obesi na mo se bi sa tumu we die tumi kronkron a efi otwedi amponyankopon obesi den no wahu ono woni ani ti se mi
engineer me pacha wakasa a nice question me ko odifo nche better than mo so odifo show enyo odifo ne de senya me se mu aka wa bo din wa bo krom aka nsem nyina obi os sister me fe pa we dey ka afata me yentwempa Bible says piano bana ba mu ma dey what na make a somewhere e betina kromo se mu maten me di metumi hye obi so ana me di metumi di obi ade dabi o ma ni na se dabi e binsi da wa je bi nso so da on say na me tell so if you get a power do not abuse the power always be humble but on once and never then left you there may be before you hear say nyina no everyone need to me no what is sakana ma ho krama ne bo kroma ni kroma na say krona krama ne po so bo say wa mo na mia nemo man na nim kokwa kro no no mu areas edura na do na be hye obesha e bon na se wo twakoro no hia ebra wote da fom no se na abra wo asese tumi ne be se wo sa abra wo asese sa abra ba bibi nya tumi kakra bia ya magnifi wo kwatante afiso kura so wontete papers o man crofo toretro no mva nkotorete kura hey me na metete afina no wodi agro mema wonne wa bi su tumi what am I telling us se wo ko obi nchen akwa pa bibi e de afini pa no ba bema you have to respect the authority obi ti bi ko obi nchen bi ko odi for nchen okodure na we say na mo so edi fu na me ka so eni pa kase bi o ebisi asabisi wo 2 Kings mamehwade 2 Kings chapter 5 verse 1 opani bi e friend Naaman 2 Kings 5:1 was Naaman ayaresa Naaman no ye Syria hene mameni kan verse 1 and 2 no Syria hene Sahel he was a commander he was an army commander ti asemi yo na Syria hene Sahel Syria hene ana asuma na Sahel the commander ya onipa kese wo ye nipa kese won kuro woni wura enim na owo animonyam he was a glorious man we nipa bi o wani munyam won kuro na ofiri mu no efise onu so na awurade nam je Syria for ko okon no Naaman so na awurade yakopon fa ye dai ati Syria man si ho tie ni ye na onipa ne ye dommerima otumi ne ho anso no yare de yi kwata we dommerima otumi ne ho nanso no yare kwata wo 5 yaka menka na say senka me ka say na basobode a o wa basobode e betim de describe no be ma akoma ko 5 ti asem yo anso no yare onipa bi o nanso make us be a politician wo ko bi nchan wo kwa ko hwe biribi baba obi akope bibi afre no ka wo se ososere wo supreme said what tie bia was so yare asere you have to respect that person wo ko ni parent nchan wo ko dru ya wo hwe ni parent person na me ka se we ni pa kase bi na se we kura anko school wala ka sa akere wo Yesu Kristo school be no ko e Peter school be no ko e abusia mama nka to se nyankopon to me anti adesuam nyame to me anti atadem respect the authority and the power Naaman what could do on the Israel from what do you for your friend Elisha Bible says Syria in a crata the command Israel in it and was a very small commander manaba one chain into a bass and yare mame or yare if you said not above Frebi I found the moon every Israel I conquer this America or conquer this Syria the assembly no conquer this Syria from now Bible said bra akwano papa ni bedi bia na na say shiri botom na one day akwano ni bie no ho sese papa ana say man no so no man no den say twetwa fine enti one akwano ka che Naaman na yire no sese nka me wuro hene ewo me krom Israel asase so a kodifo bi obesa na yare e ho de tira so ba Syria hene twa krata de koma Israel hene say me suma me commander manaba enti sa na yare ma me wo hene sa yare wo hene wo to me na the two men na to me what I mention you will see us you can so be a seer or ye supreme obi na ne apie ohuna de kwachi na Bible so hene so na tare no sunshine what team no say men hwan and metime akum no mama nkwa Syria hene so na ko say memensa na yare Bible say Israel hene so na ntomam osunshine no transo so si say no odi agobo so want to be a study pan area when him say a young tokako and a Syria in a deba. No dear for Elisha tell message and was man say Munko Kanchen and I say I didn't know what to say. Say never ba Mumma name and pass it and if your mum man bra na mention say 2 million. Just you Elisha shadem never acquire no na ko expect to say Elisha be pie na ko den sabe so so no pattern na ko be hi baba e Yesu na say awurade sanare Elisha say a sign said one musa Yankupon be Israel, Mr. Metro said 2 million day. Oh, Merin Pierre, send me Pierre, not by Casa Mitchell, or by Cassette. And to be Pierre, minimum. to osoma na kwara friend Grace say ko catch wa pan say esubontin friend Jordan no onko no nkotom otom press 7 times otom anu odosuko no ode therapy otom anu odosuko no ode therapy 7 times ne kwata ne nyina ebeko Bible say asem no papa ne te ye no omuna ade kum no so what we manka this little what prophet Therefore, get to a hand some for what catch them. They say, shoot me, jump, and shoot me, Sayaria. We were so Cassian, you know, Syria. Your Fraba to Abana, your Fraba to a papa. Some sway and Sucasia so chain at Jordan. And shoot me, jump, my coto sensuum, I'm an argument. Now, Jordan get to away and shoot Jordan, we were and shoot. Me or him, because I could be piano for the Sabbath, now call the oil be a mammy, now call Mamma quite tell you the mammy. Bible so padi mu odi kum o sa na chi o ko ne krum ana na nko na ebi na chi ba ko ka se mi wura se ko pen ka se ko beti bibia ye be ebo ho sika ye obi ahode ye obi ye de bibia ba en ka wontua wo so wani bibia ko ne koto nso mpranso wato na anya yi a wotom na anya yi a ko krum we enti wanya asebia enti respect the power and authority. Bible say never a tesa Bible so to nsuo no otie na kwara no okoto so otomba ko bia no hwe nsa na edaso yesi otobie no anu ayesi de atoso nsia no opanya nti no smanka atem we ensuo tumi be no se tumi wo nsuo mu a enkama to mu prensia we manka se a default of ebi ni and was I did the three comb what some people say na nsa no kwata na afi na yesi
wonderful
hallelujah Bible say afi papa ni pie free nsuo no was sana na nko a nyina sa bai ebe patch was me hunu ne saa wodi for pie na bra baji sika baji ahode de na parliament sponsor if you say ade o yama me no me yama hye ade o yama me no aso me ni ti asabe yo if you respect the power and authority you will live long and obi no o body hunu ni bia ni mo a o body se o eketwa enya me sofo na kaye na sani pa okra na body se kura mfui sani pa okra school be no ko abusua ma me ka bibi nkyerɛ nyame wo susu na dom ana wo susu na dom wo di ama wo hwe nipa wo di mu na wo na dom a kyede ayɛ adom asɛm si wo Luke chapter 7 Luke 7 verse 1 ma me ka we na me fancy ma wo so obre na yaso
bre no
Luke 7:1 Yesu Kristo ne so gya na bi Yesu ko Israel krom okosa yare bibiri na yare sani mo no ana o man no kro ne padefo ba Yesu nche no be ka che so wura so gya ni pani bi ye wo krom ha we ni pani obu ye we ni pani on ne si ya so da kro bo ye de e ma ye ne si na ko ba to pena sempa yare da dem wo ye hu sesi ye ana me ja wo be bia ye so se ko ni fie kosa akwa ne yare ma no ko na kosa yare fi se o pani ni ye ni pani a wotre wo ne si ya so da no kro ye ye bibi oboa ye enti esafata maybe sase any pa community na woti no how they do ho adanse and pending for elders no and the bedi so je ne ho adanse che Yesu Kristo o safata so ko ne fie ko sa na ko ne yare ma no na Yesu Kristo te se on ne si aso dan Yesu tie adanse a efa papa no ho so na otu anamo so woko na bre so je ne ne hye nye so je ne na ba Yesu tie ho so je ne te se Yesu Kristo eba ne fie no Trustam say osuma ni pakate ekoka say mon kante Yesu say mensa mfata say Yesu best up foot e obi mi fie ha mensa de dai emfata so de no so ye commander wo ye nipa wo haso pani o ka twi na wo so ye o haso pani na that is commander e nipa shall say 100 uko soldier regime no e tumi bi ade baba obi ya e wo nipa so mo so the man was a commander. But while respecting no commandership, no, or so no the lower commander, and the major commander so the head. And to us, some country used to so men some patas were best upon me fee. Now, one country so on cast some water. Will be no cassa with the power and authority, many of some aqua or yard woo, the Hoberton. Tiasabio, yes, to Christo Tiano, or Penny catcher and the set. Maybe a commander, may your soldier near me Pashamasi. Sameka so yi nkwa woko we yi mro ba me ade bia be so obi so onye mama no we dey we ya mama enti sana me say Yesu Kristo wo so ye supreme commander yare no ye sumsum bi na dia to makora no so wo ko no so kasa to me a bejano, he said, oh, who before attacking the panel. Yes, you Christo Danny was Israel will be what did you say, Obenida. Now, Bible says, yes, Christo be an Arocasa, baby, or Drano. I wouldn't have the panel won't watch a children. Bible says, I'm Mumara. Sandy Paria day when Yayasa was sorry if you walk at us. That is the power and authority. And it's all quite the money being Chaya. Who the Awoka, and the Parabia of the watch a penny. A beer also tell, a beer that won't put your friend. What did I mention us? But I was it, and said to me, and I said to me, and I said, a Radina Cooper. What did I mention? And then I was open and also, my main trust.
I have for, in fact, say, Cassie, you did, I'd been a dead chair, baby, as so far. Well, what's in your costume? In fact, you see, as some will, young to one, young to one. You are cosmo dear, then it will be a diablo. She am no crap pine. I'm quite damaged. Madam, but I say, one man who said, open beer fruit or do for one man. Make an appearance. Jiddy, say, winner. Not the panel or your mouth. Jiddy, Jiddy, yes. Yo, say, I have 4 show. It's a course no banner, but Mr. Made a number now, bear to screen and my friend, Mr. Why, Mr. Moon, where is studio line? We are all Mr. Remember how I be maybe Nissus Moody will be a meeting and walk. Maybe on a tongue. Mr. Casaka Credina, a tear for Akuman.
You're my hair for element here for. When you're couple with someone, what would you bring out us and our program? Chairman Crook and I'm quite an chain. Meeting and a major prophet Charles Opokuda, go from Major one and Major so. A be another person follow me. Me patrol, who follow me on YouTube. YouTube TV, you know, you are told this a Major Prophet 1 TV. Major Prophet 1 TV. Now me patrol here. One no, and you one say. One when you one say. Never a O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. Major Prophet 1. Major Prophet O-N-E. On said it here. When you click on YouTube, so was have coming. Message in Ubenya. If you are now a man, if you are now a problem, may you deal from a Sunday buying as I am. We are deal from a Messiah, Basa. We are deal from a candy pay intersen. We are deal for a wedding and couple of so candy passabre, and Moasen. We are deal for Sepia, 1 year, you may be a Juman and Koyi, be at Johnson. Just a water, we will be our da, also die. Now we will be that. We will be at a near be Yarian and How, and Mania not what your quantum, one clatter some, what's your quantum, what's your quantum, seek some, what's your quantum, Yarian Equo, and dear Madamenka. Problem be a will be a Major one no may a versatile prophet. But be an area be a room, or from me a wedding a couple demo, and rather found so and be a quiet amount. May a yamidi for me say so are buying. You are deep for me kuta and knee a whom soon so dear. You are deep for me cassun some, you are deep for me candy pasha bring wasem. A be another problem be an atoll, a be another how can see, a be another what the amania demo. What does one say? We see Casama say, a Jumasam, our sem, a quantum, obiti a quantum, a Jumonia Benya, obiti a quantum, and crata sem, obiti a quantum, Yarian Econo. May you deep for Messiah be a B. Yari be a B. Messiah you soon have a ma. May they have a say Juma. Many Yari of the body. HIV and hepatitis B, hypertension, wine, ulcer. But I'm not grabbing a coupon from Sonament attack and from our media Habai and the Lubra, man can yama boom, and be a Jumamo. A be a natty approach, let's me send in no demo. A be another Ghana here, or be a stroke of Bubu, a dem, open Ayasa, Brahma John Chain. Meshe Sumu, Tiasabio, dear mammy down so near. What Bammy and China, that's all they are by Amasemetin Yasa, Debbie. And Panisi Krobi one, the Krobin so twasso. So what be your visual day, Abresel, Nam Husun. Method there, or Yanko Ponti as a phone and Cassan, the Susun at Tebeso, the Susun Betrameso, no I can't say and watch your paya, Yara Faso by it. Near Yasha Yariana Promise bread, near the one dry day, I can your Pamo woman if you Suya, near the Adrona count, one Yasa. Tiasami, and a Biana Remeto, my family number. Maybe I'll tell you, my family number 0553 011 926 0553 011 926 0272 854387 0272 854387. Obisi so for no content them do. Me patch on screen as me ka bi a wante hwe TV na se me numbers ni mienu ene boyi famu ba ko na frɛ me kwasi ada bi a me ya asɔre chenchirenche asɔre kase pa mejo nya bie na asɔda bi atom saa na mejo te fi sɛ mpani se pani dware wi a na nsu asa ti kwasi ada me ya som ada ya wada bi a me transe di sunsun sem one on one bra me nche na wade Nyankopɔn fa me so emwa ebi a na ate abrochi o hwe sunsun anase o hwe wo yi ebi etira kwan wo be no obi asoma no omara begire mo ma wo ebere sunsun na tera mejo so no sunsun be ka osuma mu asem nyira mejo ni moda ba sunsun ne di onim ebi a na wa nkasa ne mejo be diri direct fa number no ba ko na me no nkasa one on one me number se ne bi enu nyina so e WhatsApp ni nyina on social media so ebi a na be so follow me wo YouTube and also about Major Prophet 1 TV ewo YouTube so Major Prophet 1 TV ewo YouTube so me pacha wonya kreke na so okoto mu a eya subscribe wo hwe wie na kwawa anasa kawa ya share ma me share ma foforo so ntie bi don't be selfish share ma foforo so nya dai entie bi WhatsApp on so na pese wo humi a me lines ni me enu nyina e WhatsApp onyankopɔ be hye onyankopɔ be yakase me twa from sese a na me no ni nkomo yawa day a wo hwe me tenase anoba pa na matenase me tenase anoba 6 ma pon 2 kwasi day a wo sa hwe me sa kwasi na me day a wo hwe me ade ba che kwasi day me pa to tutumrika ba bia otie bia etiti ni akiri tutumrika na bra me nche bra som na bra de Nyankopɔn fa service no so emwa onyankopɔn hye onyankopɔn nya kwasi me ne on chere ho me twa me pese me te onka me pese me te onka frɛ me sisi a na me no ninko me pa cho ebi na pese oba sori wo pese ho ba bia mejo ebutuo me wo Kumasi Sokoban Petuda Kumasi Sokoban Petuda me wo Ghana the second capital friend Kumasi e ho na me wo na ba bia ba so da ne sie no e ho ya asase kase asase tama Nyankopɔn wosra ahya asase no so ma asase ase nufu so ne wo asase obi ni adwuma obi ono no anya adwuma asase obi ni aware a obi aware asase so no anya aware asase obi tu kwada obepie so no anya besa asase obi tie brochire no ohura mane ye boye so de na senchene asi Sokoban Petuda ba bi ofre wo ba bia general station no obekodum wonya drug adumu a prison yard na chire ho a Sokoban station kese ho fro ubisa meti ni anase bookman for no bisa obisa me ko Kumasi Sokoban ba bia me ko minimum order me ko Major Pai ya che osa Sokoban ka ni a wo so beka Sokoban ka ko ampayo tie ni ye wo Sokoban Wood Village enya wana me wo ko fa Wood Village ka obeyira fro Sokoban ka Sokoban Petuda anase fro Sokoban ampayo ka na atwam o Sokoban kurom no na kache meti ne se mesi baabi abo kakraka ne da no Sokoban kurom baabi abo kase ne da no ebo na ya penti hu blue no a ya twa on latest form no abrantie bi so ya friend Zach Oji wo ye Metal West wo ye Iron Gate na de to efikasie ano no gate kase ya de dade na ye me pacho so si baabi abo da na se obi nye gate wo a me pacho nya wono na me ya de nipa bebre ta yira ya wo Junction bi won ma gidi ya friend Assemblies Junction ya won ma wo si esu Assemblies Junction nante kakra bi won nante kakra bi a the next junction ba bi high tension kase ne si no ya bo kase no eda ho no ho no mo asi ho wonya se won sane fa so pe fa sa kwa no so e futu kwai wo de bra wonim te bisa obi ase mepe adumfie drinking bar e kwa ni pai ni no e wa adumfie drinking bar no ba akoko ni fa ba akoko benkum adumfie drinking bar de su benkum so enti fa adumfie drinking bar no eni mu pe akwa na da no e ho mo ne Petuda kwai bra wani mu te wo pa mi se obi ya bra wani mu te me pa cho ba bedu ba bi na abota akese tinti ho ba bi aba so da ne se no ma penti bo ba ko ya penti ni blue ene de white color white glue ene de atro everlasting aso dan e ho na mejo e wo wura sa aso dan anasa me numbers no 0553 011 926 0553 011 926 me numbers no eno no ana 0272 854387 share screen ase me numbers ne go no wo besu na wo ya yira fra Major ya befa wo ye no bekasa mesuma akwara mo ma ba befa wo onyankopon sha onyankopon nya okese so ajebre no ahweme ya wada mi hiawo kwasi ana so me se hiawo onyankopon sha bye bye
program di dia ba ko pe chem no kura kwan na me kwa ɛyɛ mosomfo engineer maestro me engineer me electronics me electricals general electricals house wiring installation troubleshooting diagnosing na me and I'm mechanical me obi a nyankopon am adom akyede am pese me de boa oman Ghana me mfa nkɔ kwesiko kɔ eman so se wo pene ankasa me number bi wasi wo fia bi wo pese wo waya wasi wo fia bi wo pese ye estimate mam mesrɛ wo frɛ number we 0547 09 31 33 me say sisu bio 0547 09 31 33 engineer maestro me no be kasa na quality is assured oko YouTube a major prophet 1 pacha 1 no enye say na also my so simple daddy ONE so major prophet 1 TV say be a den de bia na betu bia o meden obesua de because o make say one say one what happen now so be also na sabe so ni help me dia ne engineer maestro makram madam.